In today's hyper-competitive Amazon landscape, can you still make a killing with FBA, or is it a sinking ship? Let's dive deep and dissect the current profitability and viability of selling on Amazon FBA, because the game has changed. We'll break down the key factors determining your success. First, niche selection is absolutely critical. Gone are the days of selling anything you can get your hands on. You need to identify underserved markets with consistent demand and manageable competition. Think about emerging trends and customer pain points. Next up, product sourcing. Are you able to secure high-quality products at a price point that leaves you with a healthy profit margin after all fees? This includes understanding and meticulously calculating Amazon's ever-evolving fees, from storage and fulfillment to referral fees and increasingly crucial advertising costs. Your marketing strategies and customer service are no longer afterthoughts. They are the engine of your FBA business. Effective listing optimization, compelling product photography, and proactive customer engagement are paramount to building trust and driving sales. So, is Amazon FBA still worth it? The answer, as always, depends on your ability to adapt, your strategic choices, and relentless execution.